Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn on HD in Zoom settings. If you want your video to look clearer and more polished during meetings, enabling HD in Zoom is a simple setting that can make a noticeable difference. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process directly inside the Zoom app so you can quickly adjust your camera settings and improve video quality. To begin, open the Zoom app on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded before moving on, since some settings only appear once Zoom is active. Next, open a sample meeting. This is helpful because certain in-meeting controls and video options are easier to access while you're inside a meeting environment. If you're just testing things, a sample meeting is a convenient place to make changes without affecting a real call. Once you're in the meeting, look at the bottom of the Zoom window and click the three-dot menu. This area contains additional controls that may not be shown on the main toolbar. If your toolbar is hidden, move your cursor slightly to bring it back into view. After that, click on Settings. This will open the Zoom Settings panel where you can manage the app's camera and video preferences. In the Settings menu, click on Video and Effects. This section is where Zoom lets you control how your camera appears, including image quality and visual options. It's also the best place to confirm that the correct camera is selected before turning on HD. Now click the Camera drop-down menu. If you have more than one camera connected, such as a built-in webcam and an external USB camera, this menu will show the available options. From there, select the best camera. In many cases, an external webcam will offer better image quality than a built-in laptop camera. But the best choice depends on your setup. Choosing the right camera first is important because HD video quality will only be as good as the camera you're using. Finally, click on HD to enable it. Once this setting is turned on, Zoom will use high-definition video when possible. Keep in mind that actual video quality can also depend on your internet connection, your camera's capabilities, and the meeting conditions. And that's it. You've successfully turned on HD in Zoom settings. If you want the best results, try using good lighting and positioning your camera at eye level, since those small adjustments can make your video look even better along with HD enabled.